So first, I'll be discussing about assets turnover ratio. For example, our net sales is equivalent to 3,305,000 pesos, while our total assets is equivalent to 31,586,000 pesos. So in order to get the assets turnover ratio, all we have to do is to divide 3,305,000 pesos over 31,586,000 pesos, and that's we're gonna be getting the answer of 0.146 or 10.46%. Next is we'll be discussing how to get the return on equity ratio. In order to get the return on equity ratio, all we have to do is use the formula of net income over owner's equity equals to return on equity ratio. Next is we will be discussing about accounts payable to net purchases ratio. For example, our accounts payable is equivalent to 450,000 pesos, while our net purchases is equivalent to 550,000 pesos. In able to get our accounts payable to net purchases ratio, all we have to do is divide 450,000 pesos over 550,000 pesos, and that's the time when we were going to be able to get our accounts payable to net purchases ratio, which is 0.8182 or 81.82%. And lastly, we will also be discussing about accounts receivable to net sales ratio. So in able to get the accounts receivable to net sales ratio, all we have to do is use the formula of account receivable over the net sales equals to accounts receivable to net sales ratio. For example, our accounts receivable is equivalent to 86,000 pesos, while our net sales is equivalent to 2,710,000 pesos. And able to get the accounts receivable to net sales ratio, all we have to do is divide 86,000 pesos over 2,710,000 pesos, and we'll be able to get the accounts receivable to net sales ratio, which is 0.1484 or 14.84%.